In this video, we are going to show you another potential winning product and do some competitor research. Let's dive into it. This is a floor drain ruler. Let's see if there is anyone else who is already selling this product. And for that, we just have to click on this button and go to the Shopify tab. As we can see, there is no one else currently selling this product. Okay, let's try and find some content for this product. For that, I'm going to copy the title of this product, go to Super Elite dashboard, enter the title here, select videos only, and select import data as all time and hit search. And as we can see, we have quite a few listings with some content for this product. Okay, let's try and find some local suppliers as well. Get rid of the videos only, and the shipping zone, select United States, assuming that you are trying to sell in United States. And we have got just two listings with local suppliers. There you have it. Floor drain ruler is today's potential winning product. Test it out, let me know how it works out for you, and I'll see you in the next video.